Okay, so you take your boilie, now you're back from England, and you got a little hole in it. Got a key for that right here. And you drill a hole through it, like so, by pushing this through it, like so, and then you pull it out. Jig, so you can put the loop of the hair jig in this hook. But you take your boilie and you line it through this tool like that. Then you're going to put the hair jig in the hook. Eyesight. Okay, we got the line on the hook.